Hello, hello! Welcome back to our English channel. I am so happy to see you again today. My name is Emma, and I am your English teacher and friend.
And hello from me too. I am Alex, I am a student, and I am here to learn English with all of you. Emma, I am very excited today.
I am excited too, Alex. Do you know why? Because today we are in a wonderful place. Look around. We are standing in front of a very popular coffee shop. It is called The Morning Cup.
Oh, I love the smell of coffee. It smells amazing here. I can smell fresh bread and sweet chocolate too.
Yes, it is a very nice place. But today is not just about drinking coffee. Today is a challenge. Listeners, listen carefully. Today, Alex and I will talk a lot, but Alex is going to make 5 mistakes in his English.
Yes, only 5. I will try my best, but sometimes English is difficult. Emma, are the mistakes very big?
No, Alex, they're common mistakes. Many students make them. Listeners, your job is to be like a detective. Listen to everything Alex says. When you hear a mistake, write it down on your paper.
And what happens if they find all 5 mistakes?
If you find all 5 mistakes, you are a super learner. We will give you the correct answers at the very end of this video, so do not stop watching. You need to hear the explanation.
Okay, I want to be a super learner too. But Emma, I am a bit hungry. Can we go inside now?
Of course, but first, let's look at the window. They have a menu here. What do you see on the menu, Alex?
Let me see. I see many things. I see espresso, it is $2. I see cappuccino, it is $4. Oh, and look, they have green tea and hot chocolate.
Do you like tea, Alex, or do you prefer coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning. Coffee gives me energy. Tea is for the evening. Emma, look at the food section. What is a croissant?
A croissant is a delicious French bread. It is very soft and usually has a lot of butter. People love to eat it with coffee.
That sounds perfect. I want a croissant and a big coffee. Emma, do you want a croissant too?
No, thank you. I am not hungry. I only want a latte. But wait, Alex, let's practice. I will be the barista and you will be the customer. You must order for both of us.
For both of us? Okay, let me remember. 1 latte for you and 1 coffee and a croissant for me.
Yes, and remember to be polite. Use please and thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's do the role play.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Morning Cup. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to order some things, please.
Of course. What would you like to drink?
I want 1 latte for my friend, and for me, I want a black coffee.
Okay, 1 latte and 1 black coffee. Do you want any sugar or milk in your black coffee?
No sugar, please. I like it strong.
Very well. And would you like any food today? We have fresh muffins, cookies, and croissants.
Yes, I is very hungry. Can I have 2 croissants, please?
Certainly. 2 croissants, 1 latte, and 1 black coffee. Is that all for today?
Yes. Wait. No. My friend, Emma, she want a napkin too.
Of course. I will put some napkins in your bag. The total is $18, please.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change, $2. Your drinks will be ready in 5 minutes. Please take a seat. Wow, Alex, you did it! You ordered everything. You used please and you were very polite.
Thank you, Emma. It was easier than I thought, but I think I made a few mistakes. I felt it in my head.
Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Listeners, did you hear anything strange in Act 1?
How many mistakes did I make so far, Emma?
I cannot tell you yet, Alex. That is a secret. We have to continue our story. Let's go and sit at that table near the window.
Good idea. The table with the blue chairs?
Yes, that one. It is very sunny there. Let's go. Here we are, Alex. This table is perfect. It is right next to the big window.
Yes, I love this spot. The sun is very bright today. I can see the park across the street. There are many green trees and some beautiful flowers.
It is a lovely day to sit and talk. Oh, look, here is our order. 1 medium latte for me and 1 black coffee with a croissant for you.
Oh, the croissant looks very big, and it is still warm. It smells like butter and sugar. I am so happy right now.
Go ahead, Alex. Try the croissant. Is it good?
It is delicious, Emma. It is very soft inside and crunchy on the outside. This is the best croissant in the city.
I am glad you like it. My latte is very good too. It has a lot of milk and a beautiful heart shape on the top. The barista is very talented.
Emma, look at the other people in the coffee shop. This place is very busy today. There are much people here, right?
That is an interesting sentence, Alex. Listeners, did you hear that? Write it down if you think it is a mistake.
Did I say something wrong again? Oh, no.
Don't worry about it now, Alex. Just enjoy your coffee. Tell me, do you come to coffee shops often?
Not every day, but I like to come on Saturdays. Usually I come with my brother, but my brother is not here today.
Oh, does your brother like coffee too?
No, actually, he don't like coffee. He thinks it is too bitter. He only drinks orange juice or cold water.
I see. Many people prefer tea or juice. My sister is the same. She never drinks coffee, but she loves green tea.
We're different. I can drink 3 cups of coffee every day. It makes me feel awake and smart.
3 cups? That is a lot of caffeine, Alex. You will be very energetic.
Yes, I can run a marathon after 3 coffees. Emma, look at that dog outside the window. It is a very small white dog. It is waiting for its owner.
Oh, it is so cute. It has a little red coat. It looks very cold.
Yes, the wind is a bit cold today, even if the sun is shining. I am happy we are inside where it is warm.
Me too. So, Alex, we are finished with our drinks and food. You did a great job talking today. You talked about the menu, the order, the weather, and your family.
Thank you, Emma. I am trying to learn new words every day. English is fun when we talk like this.
It is. But now it is time for the most important part of our video.
Is it time to check the mistakes?
Yes! Listeners, are you ready? We finished our conversation. We hope you found all 5 mistakes that Alex made.
I am nervous now. I want to know if I am a good student or a bad student.
You are a great student, Alex. Making mistakes is how we learn. Okay, everyone, let's go to the last part of our video. We will show you the mistakes and explain the grammar.
Let's do it. I'm ready to learn.
Okay, everyone, it is time for the answers. Alex, are you ready to see your mistakes?
I am ready, Emma. I want to learn. I want to have perfect English.
That is the spirit. Okay, listeners, let's look at mistake number 1. In the first scene, Alex was at the counter. He was very hungry. Alex, do you remember what you said?
I said, I is very hungry.
Exactly. I is very hungry. Listeners, what is the mistake? Alex, can you fix it?
Oh, I know. I should say, I am very hungry, because we always use am with I.
Perfect. I am. We say I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. This is the verb to be. It is the most important verb in English. So remember, I am hungry, not I is. Great job.
Okay, I will remember that. I am hungry. What is mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2 was when you ordered the food. You wanted more than 1 croissant. You said, "Can I have 2 croissant, please?" Listeners, do you see the problem? Alex?
2 croissant. Oh, I forgot the S. I should say 2 croissants.
Yes, in English, when we have more than one thing, we usually add an S at the end of the word. 1 croissant, 2 croissants. 1 coffee, 2 coffees. 1 book, 2 books. It is the plural form.
2 croissants, 2 croissants. Okay, that is easy. I just need to be careful with the S.
Exactly. Now, let's look at mistake number 3. You were talking about me, Alex. You said, "She want a latte too." Listeners, what is wrong here? Alex?
She want. Oh, is it the S again, Emma?
Yes, but a different S. For the verbs in present simple, when we talk about he, she, or it, we must add an S to the verb. So, she wants a latte, or he wants a sandwich.
English loves the letter S, Emma.
You are right, Alex. English loves S. Repeat after me. She wants a latte.
She wants a latte.
Excellent. Now we are moving to mistake number 4. This was at the table. You looked around the coffee shop and said, "There are much people here." Listeners, what is the mistake? Alex?
Much people?
Yes, we use much for things we cannot count, like water or sugar. But people, we can count people, 1 person, 2 people, 3 people. So for things we can count, we use many.
Oh, so I should say there are many people here.
Correct. Many people, many cars, many books, but much water, much coffee, much sugar. Remember, many is for counting.
Many people. I got it. And what is the last one? Mistake number 5.
The last one was about your brother. You said he don't like coffee. Listeners, can you find the final mistake? Alex?
He don't? Wait, is it he doesn't?
Yes, bravo, Alex. For he, she, and it, we use doesn't for the negative. I don't, you don't, but he doesn't like coffee.
He doesn't like coffee. Emma, I learned so much today.
I'm so happy to hear that, Alex. You found all 5 mistakes. Now, listeners, it is time for your score. If you found 1 mistake, you are a beginner. If you found 3 mistakes, you are a smart learner. If you found all 5 mistakes, you are an English pro.
Tell us your score in the comments. Did you find all of them?
Yes, please comment below. We love to read your messages. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.